Soldier, politician, statesman, but first and foremost a Frenchman, Charles de Gaulle is dead. The former president died at his home only 2 weeks short of his 80th birthday. As a soldier, he was the living symbol of free France during the Second World War, and he received a hero's welcome when he returned to Paris after the liberation. This was Armistice Day, 1944. Two great leaders, de Gaulle and Winston Churchill, received the acclaim of the French people. De Gaulle retired from public life in 1946, already assured of lasting fame. But he re-emerged in 1958 to save France yet again, this time from the brink of civil war over Algeria. Churchill had called him a man of destiny. Certainly the destinies of France and de Gaulle were inextricably linked. During his 10-year presidency, his policies frequently antagonized others, not least ourselves, when he blocked our entry into the common market. But he always commanded respect and admiration. His high office never altered his austere personal tastes. In June 1968, he staked his future on a referendum and lost. Since then, in his home at Colombey-les-Deux-Églises, he'd lived quietly with his wife, completing his memoirs. De Gaulle was a great man and a great Frenchman. His passing will be mourned the world over. Remembrance Day, 1970. The 15th